Hey there, have you ever felt like your life is drowning in clutter and distractions? If so, you're not alone. Today, we're diving into the world of minimalism and exploring 10 life changing quotes that can provide daily motivation for a simpler, more intentional life. Welcome back to Modern Minimalism. I'm excited to share with you how embracing minimalism can lead to a more fulfilling and purposeful existence. In our consumer driven society, it's easy to get caught up in the cycle of accumulation. We're bombarded with messages that more is better, leading to excess stuff and constant busyness. This lifestyle often leaves us feeling overwhelmed and disconnected from what truly matters. Now let's delve into the heart of today's video, the 10 best minimalist quotes that can inspire and motivate us to simplify our lives. 1. The more you have, the more you are occupied. The less you have, the more free you are. Mother Teresa. This quote from Mother Teresa reminds us that material possessions can weigh us down, both physically and mentally. By letting go of excess, we create space for freedom and clarity in our lives. 2. Simplicity is the ultimate sophistication. Leonardo da Vinci. Leonardo da Vinci's words highlight the elegance and beauty found in simplicity. When we strip away the unnecessary, we can appreciate the true essence of life. 3. Clutter is the physical manifestation of unmade decisions fueled by procrastination. Christina Scalise. Christina Scalise's quote sheds light on the connection between clutter and procrastination. Clearing physical clutter can help us make clearer decisions and take decisive action in our lives. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more helpful minimalist content like this. 4. The secret of happiness, you see, is not found in seeking more, but in developing the capacity to enjoy less. Socrates. Socrates' wisdom challenges the notion that happiness comes from acquiring more. Instead, true happiness stems from finding joy in simplicity and contentment. 5. Minimalism is not about having less, it's about making room for more of what matters. Unknown. This anonymous quote captures the essence of minimalism as a philosophy of prioritizing what truly adds value to our lives. It's about creating space for meaningful experiences and relationships. 6. Have nothing in your house that you do not know to be useful or believe to be beautiful. William Morris. William Morris's quote emphasizes the importance of intentionality in our surroundings. Each item in our space should serve a purpose or bring joy, reflecting a mindful approach to our environments. 7. The first step in crafting the life you want is to get rid of everything you don't. Joshua Becker. Joshua Becker's quote encourages us to declutter not just our physical spaces, but also our commitments and priorities. Simplifying our lives allows us to focus on what truly matters to us. 8. The ability to simplify means to eliminate the unnecessary so that the necessary may speak. Hans Hofmann. Hans Hofmann's words highlight the power of simplicity in amplifying what truly matters. By removing distractions and excess, we can better hear and prioritize what is essential in our lives. 9. He who is contented is rich. Lao Tzu. Lao Tzu's quote reframes the idea of wealth, emphasizing contentment as true richness. Minimalism teaches us to find abundance in simplicity and gratitude for what we have. If you are finding this helpful, kindly subscribe to this channel to help spread this to someone out who needs it like us. Thank you. 10. The best things in life aren't things. Art Buchwald. Art Buchwald's quote is a poignant reminder that true fulfillment comes from experiences, relationships, and personal growth, not material possessions. Out of these powerful quotes, one stands out as the cornerstone of minimalist philosophy. The more you have, the more you are occupied. The less you have, the more free you are, by Mother Teresa. This quote encapsulates the essence of minimalism, highlighting the freedom and clarity that come from letting go of excess and focusing on what truly matters. To wrap up, remember that minimalism isn't just about decluttering physical spaces. It's about decluttering our minds and hearts, too. Each of these quotes serves as a reminder to live intentionally and with purpose. I'd love to hear from you. Share your favorite minimalist quote in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more inspirational content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.